We'll guide you through how to connect a Google Sheet to Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application. Enter Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Slack account. Next, open one of your recent workspaces by clicking its name. If you do not have the Slack desktop application installed, choose the Use Slack in your browser option to continue using the web version. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the interface and click the workspace name. Select Tools and Settings, then choose Manage Apps. Slack will open the App Management page in a new browser tab. On the Manage Apps page, click the search field and type Sheet. From the search results, select 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 to open its app page. Next, click the Add to Slack button, then choose Sign in with Slack to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the required authorization steps. During the setup, you may be asked to connect a Google account, install the Slack app in your workspace, and set up your first sheet. Continue through each step until you reach the Sheet Connection page. Copy the URL of the Google Sheet that you want to connect, then paste it into the appropriate field. After that, choose a name for the connected sheet so it can be identified easily within Slack. Once everything has been entered correctly, click the Submit button to finish the configuration. Return to your Slack workspace. Open any channel where you want to use the integration, type the command /sheet, and submit it. The Sheet.chat app will appear, allowing you to access and interact with your connected Google Sheet directly.